welcome to Add More Zest. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I have an unboxing today. Now this is from Mindfulness diamond painting. I purchased this myself. I did mention in a video, one of my whip and chats, one of my many that we've had, that I did like the quirky fox from Diamond Art Club that they had up a while ago, and I was trying to be good at the time because it costs quite a bit to ship from Diamond Art Club now. They don't offer free shipping for the UK anymore. I don't blame them. I have no qualms with their reason behind it. Shipping is not cheap. And I completely get that it was costing them too much for the shipping. But somebody did tell me that this Mindfulness diamond painting also did the quirky fox as a licensed one from Willowing Arts. So I thought, let's give them a go. Now, the person that did tell me that Mindfulness diamond painting has it did also say that I should do a comparison, which I was half and half over. But as you will see soon, I have also ordered the one from Diamond Art Club because I am going to end up doing a comparison on them. Now, the one from Diamond Art Club did cost me a lot more. This one I ordered on the 7th of July. Now, I know it's a bit since then for me to be, of course, unboxing it, but I've had loads of things waiting for me to actually unbox them. It arrived on the 19th of July. Now, it is a .co.uk website, but it did actually ship from China. So just so you know, it did ship from China. And it arrived on the 19th. I ordered it in a square. I'm not sure if it was available in both. It was available in a few different sizes, but I did order the smallest size, which is 50 by 70. And part of the reason for that is the one from Diamond Art Club is actually smaller than this. And I will sort of compare the two, but I wanted to do this as its own unboxing as well. So I'm not quite sure who the company's run by. As I say, it does have a .co.uk domain, i.e. their website, but it did ship from China. So whether it's a drop shipment thing or not, I don't know. I did order it. It is a square, and it is pretty big, because it does say here Mindfulness diamond painting.co.uk. I can't quite tell how many colours it has yet, because while they're all listed, it doesn't count them down the side. But can you see that? Not sure. It is a poured glue. Oh. Though I have part of the canvas that doesn't have glue on it. That's a good start. So we'll find out what their customer service is like. I've just lifted this up, and the bottom, probably row of 10, and then the next row of about 5, and the next row of about 3 does not have glue on it. Top part has full glue, and that part does. But this bottom section, they seem to have missed. Bottom section down here, they seem to have missed. And then it's definitely overspilled down here. Okay. I'm trying to see. Yeah, we can sort of see the design in there, because there is a design in the fox's tail. And then there is some sort of patterns and design in the rest, which you can sort of see. It'd be interesting to compare the two. It does have its little crown. Does have a lot of 3865. Oh, that's the tape. I was like, why does that feel funny? It's the tape that was taping it up. Do we have the number of diamonds on this inventory sheet or not? Or do I have to count? I don't particularly want to have to count, but if I need to count, I'll count. This is all taped up as well, so these were taped to the outer canvas. In 3, so it's like so that it would fit in the box, I'm guessing. Diamonds seem to be done by weight, but there are some gorgeous colours in this. Oh, look at those colours. Look at the way those colours pop. Might have a lot of white, and it does have some 310, but still. I guess, okay, that's bag 1, that's bag 2 of 3865. It is written on. But look at those colours. Aren't they amazing? Okay. That's in German, I think. DMC is Clio. I'm guessing that's colour. It looks German. It might not be German. I could just be guessing a language. Okay, how many colours have we got? Because it's not giving it me. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 39. So we have 39 colours. Let me write that down and hope I didn't count wrong. But we have 39 colours. We don't have a toolkit. Yes, we do. I tell porkies. Actually, that's quite a nice toolkit. So we have wax in a pot, which is quite nice. Does have 3 pieces of wax in the pot. That's a nice touch. And then we have 2 more pieces of wax in there. We have a pen with a 3 placer. We then have a 9 or a 10 placer. Doesn't actually say which. We have a squishy for the diamond painting pen, and we have a pair of the metal tweezers. So that's quite nice. And it's a nice big white tray as well. So yes, we do have all of those. Diamonds look good. We do have a few that look like they have little nubs on them. Some of them seem better than others. So there is a, oh, maybe not. I was going to say there's a little bit of pitting underneath on these, but it's not on all of them. It's only on a few. It does look as though some of them do have little nubs on the edge though. Not huge ones and not too many. They look like they might be okay square diamonds. I don't know whether they'll be wow ones, but they look like they might be okay ones. Oh, they look all right. There's a few that are sort of mixed up. I say they are done by weight. I keep trying to have a close look. There is the odd little nub on them, but not huge ones. So I think I'll have to reserve judgment on the diamonds until I've actually placed any on the canvas to know for sure. But it would be nice to compare this, you know, as a licensed one, or you know, compared to the Diamond Art Club, which I have ordered as well. It's not arrived yet, but as soon as that arrives, I will also, I mean, it's not arrived at the time that I'm filming this. Might have arrived by the time this video goes up. But I will do a comparison between the two, and I will let you know what the company says in relation to this part at the bottom where there is no glue. But so far it looks good. There is There is some symbols that are white on black and some that are black on white. These look okay when I'm looking in the light. I'm not sure what they'd be like on a light pad, but it's a nice size. What's the true? Is it a true 50 by 70? It is, so that's just short of 50 centimetres. Oh, I've obviously got some rogue white ones. And then this one is just short of 70. So it is a true 50 by 70. I like the fact that it's poured glue. I find that the canvases, you know, storage wise and stuff, tend to work a lot better. And there is 310. It does say that we need 1,000 of them. But the one we need the most of is, of course, 3865 around the outside. There is 26,500 of those. So it might not be for you if you don't like white, but I quite like mixing in the blocking with the non-blocking. So yeah, this should be a fun one to do. It'd be nice to see how this design pops in the tail. And also, of course, this detail in the head as well. But thank you for whoever recommended that this company did it as well. It is nice to be able to get some licensed art from other companies. I am quite enjoying the fact that there's a few more now that do licensed art. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'll do a comparison between the two, and then I'll see if I can get them both done at some point in the distant / not too distant future, so that we can see what they look like together. But I'm really liking the colours in this. The colours do pop, and there does look to be quite a lot more of this tealy blue that seems to be on here as a dark blue. So I think the colours will change a lot when they're actually put on this canvas. So it'll be very interesting to see how that changes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.